Hi guys, welcome back to Drawing Land for Kids. Today we're going to be learning how to draw some donuts with a cute fox eating one of the donuts. And then we're going to add a cute kawaii face to all of them. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw our donut first. So we're going to make it look like our donut has a bite taken out of it. So we're just drawing two curved lines. And let's add another curved line here. And let's add a curved line here. And then we're going to jump over to the side and add a little curved line there. And at this point, we're just using a wavy line to draw our frosting on the donut. Now we're going to stop. Here because this is where the other donut is going to overlap. That means go on top of this one. Let's hop over back here. And we're just gonna give our donut some depth. So we wanna make it look like an actual donut, make it look 3D. So here's the frosting. Add a curved line here. Now we're gonna draw the center of our donut. So we're just gonna draw a circle for the donut hole. And to make it look 3D, we're just going to add a curved line right here. When you're ready, let's go ahead and draw the other donut that's going to be leaning on top of this donut. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw an oval shape for my donut right here. Then I'm going to go in and add the frosting on the donut using a wavy line. When you're ready, let's go inside and draw our donut hole. And then we're just going to use a curved line right over here. Okay, our donuts are all complete. Let's go ahead and draw our fox. Right up here, we're just going to add a curved line. And then I'm going to come around this way and draw a curved line right over here. Now let's go ahead and draw the ears. We're going to draw two triangular shapes, a curved line, and let's put in another triangular shape for the ear. Now let's go ahead and draw a triangle on the inside. And let's draw the snout. Now I'm going to go in and draw a cute little face. Curved line here, a little eyebrow, and for this eye, I'm just going to do a circle, some lashes, circle here, circle here, and then fill in the inside. You can do whatever you want for the eyes. This is just how I'm doing it. I'm going to add two circles for the cheeks. And now we are just going to add a line here for the body, and then a curved line for the tail, and then we're going to bring it back down. And let's add some bumpy lines here. Okay, now we're going to add a cute face to this donut. So I'm just going to draw two circles with a little smile and some eyebrows. And again, I'm drawing the highlights in the eyes, so use two circles inside the eye, and then we're going to fill everything in just like that. Oh, I almost forgot. We need to give our donut, we need to draw a curved line right over here so our donut looks three-dimensional, so it looks more real. Now that we're ready, we're going to hop on over to this donut, and I'm just going to draw the cutest face. We're going to draw two curved lines with lashes coming out, and then a cute little smile right over here. If you want, you can add some eyebrows. Now, this is the fun part. We're going to go in and we're going to add sprinkles all over our donut. Just drawing a triangular shape for the sprinkles. It's making me crave a donut. Yummy. I think I'm gonna add one more here. If you want, you can add sprinkles to this donut, but this one's going to be a chocolate frosted one, so I'm just going to leave it as that. And that's about it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this drawing. Let's come back and see what the colored version looks like. Okay, guys, here's the colored in version. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want it to look more 3D, just add some values, some darks and lights when you're coloring. I did use my iPad for this. But as always, you can use anything you have at home. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe so that it just helps the channel grow. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.